Welcome to Quantum Online Academy. This is your Dr. Nagaraju Pendam. Today we are discussing about one of Indian extraordinary scientist. Every youth likes him. How he recently passed away in 2015. That is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He is the former President of India. Not only former President of India, is a foremost scientist of DRDO and ISRO. We will discuss the biography of APJ Abdul Kalam. What is his contribution? How he sacrificed his life for scientific temper to develop the science and technology in India. How he donated his entire education to others, you have to see. APJ Abdul Kalam, his name is known as a Missile Man of India. Missile Man of India. A great scientist. So now we have to take about this scientist. He born October 15, 1931. Where he born? In Madras Presidency. That was not Indian government. That is a Madras Presidency. Where it is? That is located Tiruchirappalli, Madras Presidency. He born in Madras Presidency October 15th. In 2021, that Indian government through UNO, this October 15th we have to celebrate as a International Children's Day. Which day it is? International Children's Day. 2021 onwards, we are celebrating International Children's Day, October 15th, to honor the APJ Abdul Kalam. He died in Shillong. Right? He died in Shillong, in India only. So, July 27, 2015. His complete name is Aul Pakir Jainuluddin Abdul Kalam. Aul Pakir Jainuluddin Abdul Kalam. His complete name. A for Aul, P for Pakir, J for Jainuluddin, A for Abdul, K for Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam. His parents was Jainuluddin Marakayars and Ashiamma. He is a fourth children to these parents, right? His education, once you have to see, BE Engineering, in physics he take, in BE Engineering, here physics course is there. In 1954, Saint Joseph's College, Tiruchirappalli, wherever his native place is there now, there only he studied up to B, Bachelor of Engineering. One of the optional is physics. He completed 1954. He did the Master in Engineering, MTech, Master in Engineering. 1960 he completed Madras Institute of Technology. This was located in Chennai. Madras Institute of Technology, MIT. In 1916 he completed the Master of Engineering. After his completion, he applied for DRDO as a scientist. Okay, in 1960 as a scientist he applied. He joined as a scientist. Up to 1968 he took some projects and he developed some projects. He did some work through DRDO, Defense Research Development Organization Board. Later, he entered into the ISRO, Indian Space Research Organization. When he joined in 1969, he joined in a Indian Space Research Organization as a space scientist. As a space scientist, he joined in 1969. Now subsequently he shifted as a secretary to DRDO, 1922 to 1962 1992 to 1992 1992 to 1999. In this period only he did the Pokhran 2 nuclear tests in India. So when Atal Bihari Vajpayee is the Prime Minister. Next, later after 1999, he shifted as a Chief Scientific Advisor to Prime Minister of India, so to Indian government up to 2001. 1999 to 2001, later he became a President of India. Once again you have to see. 15 October 1931, APJ Abdul Kalam born in Tiruchirappalli, Madras Presidency. His parents were Jainuddin Marakar and Ashiyamma. His mother is Ashiyamma. He did Bachelor of Engineering in Physics 1954 from St. Joseph's College, Tiruchirappalli. ME in 1960, Madras Institute of Technology. He joined as a scientist 1960 in DRDO. So later he transferred to ISRO 1969 as a space scientist. Next, he acted as a secretary to DRDO in 1992 to 1999. In that time, in his period, he did the Pokhran 2 nuclear tests. He acted as a chief scientist advisor to Prime Minister 1999 to 2001. Right? Now, what is his contribution? His contribution is more and more. Why we call it as a missile man of India? Because of his contribution only. First, Agni missile. Which missile it is? Agni. So, Agni missile project he only undertook, is the key contributor of the Agni. So, not only Agni, he is a key contributor for Prithvi. Prithvi, which one it is? Key contributor of Prithvi. Key contributor of Prithvi. What it did the work? Agni is a missile to target the surface to surface, ballistic missile, surface to surface, surface to surface, to launch the ballistic, to target the surface to surface things. It is also long range missile, surface to surface only, surface to surface. After some time I have to do one video how Indian missiles are evaluating from Prithvi to now the Agni 5, how missiles are evaluating that. This is first contribution is Agni. After Agni 1, Agni 2, Agni 3, Agni 4, Agni 5, now Agni 6 also is there. The second contribution is Prithvi. These two missiles are surface to surface targeting objects only, right? Next, his main contribution is satellite launching vehicle. His first invention is the Indian first indigenous. Which one you have to take? Indigenous satellite launch vehicle 3. First satellite launch vehicle 3, he only introduced. Right? He went to NASA, he learned something, he developed in India. So, satellite launching vehicle. Now, polar satellite launching vehicles are there now. The first indigenous satellite launch vehicle he introduced. The first satellite launch vehicle project director also SLV-3, he only. It is a third contribution. Later so many people participated. Next, Pokhran 2, 1988. When they May 1988, when APJ Abdul Kalam, is Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Atal Bihari Vajpayee, George Fernandez. So these people, Chidambaram, scientist Chidambaram is there here. So these people, from these people initiated, so they did the nuclear test. Which one it is? Pokhran nuclear test. Nuclear test. This is the second test. First, when Indira Gandhi Prime Minister, that time at 77, we did Pokhran 1 nuclear test in 1998, not 88, 1998, sorry. 1998 Pokhran 2 nuclear tests we did under the Prime Minister of Atal Bihari Vajpayee. His major contributions, 4 contributions are there. Once again you have to see. First Agni, second Prithvi. Agni also surface to surface. Prithvi also surface to surface, targeting vehicles. Next, third one is first indigenous satellite launching vehicle. He only introduced. The third one is Pokhran 2 nuclear test he did. These 4 contributions are most important contributions in his scientific career. Later, in 2001, he did the Pokhran 2 as a chief principal scientist advisory to Prime Minister of India as well as DRDO also. Now he became as the 11th President of India. Is 11th President of India. Right? So when he swore 25th July to 25th July 2007, 2002 to 2007, total 5 years. So he swore. So Justice Kirbal is APJ Abdul Kalam. These two the Chief Justice is organizing the swearing ceremony. So the APJ Abdul Kalam is coming in this vehicle to Rashtrapati Bhavan. When? July 25th, 2002. His death, IIM, Indian Institute of Management Shillong, Indian Institute of Management Shillong, 20, so which date? That is the date of death is 27th July 2015. While he is delivering the lecture, immediately collapsed. Right? This picture is APJ Abdul Kalam. So due to the cardiac arrest, he died. After death, so people are taking to New Delhi. So New Delhi is dead body brought to New Delhi. All over the DDA, former President of India. So that's why, because of he honored him, all the 3 portfolios, Navy, Air Force, military, people are honored him. Not only him, is that time President Pranab Mukherjee. So later, his body took to, according to his will, they took to Rameshwaram, where he born. There only he took, there he buried as a Muslim tradition. Right? So many people are attended. So it is his funeral place at Rameshwaram. Now he got the awards. How many awards he got? In 1981, he got the Padma Bhushan. This is the 3rd supermost civilian award in India. This is the 2nd Supreme Civilian Award, Padma Vibhushan, 1990. In 1997, he got the Bharat Ratna, 1997. In 2013, Von Bruno Award he got. This is USA from outside India. National Space Society people are organizing this award. 2013 he got. In 2021 onwards, October 15th, UNO taking as a International Students Day. International Students Day or Children's Day. International Students Day in 2021. International Students Day they are celebrating. India is declared. He wrote many books because he is spiritually also is very strong. He wrote many books. What are his books? Once you have to see. Wings of Fire. This book is very, very popular book. Wings of Fire. Wings of Fire. India 2020. India 2020. APJ Abdul Kalam wrote the book India 2020. India 2020. Vision for New Millennium. Ignite Minds for Children Purpose. He wrote the book APJ Abdul Kalam's Ignite Minds. Unleashing the power of power with something. Unleashing the power within India. Unleashing the power within India. Ignite Minds. My Journey. APJ Abdul Kalam Biography. Target 3 billion. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam and Indomitable Spirit. So many books he wrote. So these 4 and these 2 you have to remember. The 6 is enough, right? For competitive examination also. Wings of Fire 2020, Ignite Minds, My Journey, Target 3 billions, Indomitable Spirit also. These many books he wrote. These books are very nice. Thank you. He is a great scientist in India. When he joined in ISRO, that time our ISRO people are taking the rockets in through the cycle. But nowadays we are sending the satellites to moon or Mars also. That much of increment is there. When he started in 1969 only, he started his career in ISRO. From 69 to 2023, almost 60 years. Within 50-60 years, this much of growth is there in India. So these people are kept the foundation in India to grow space research. Nowadays, the space research is a commercial hub to India. We are earning so much of money through space. We are sending the satellites for other countries' satellites also. We are sending through ISRO. That's why we get some pride. We are getting some capability. We are getting the strength. We are the 4th country to send the satellite through moon. Right now, thank you. So we will discuss one important physics scientist whenever I will be free. So that time I will upload the videos, one important scientist I will bring to you. Thank you for listening my video. Please share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.